welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to whip up chia seed pudding, which is one of my favorite snacks slash desserts. I've been having it as a dessert after dinner at night, and I absolutely love it because it is such a good blend of fiber, healthy fats. It's got some omega-3 fatty acids in there. You get some protein, which is really nice, but the fiber content is out of this world, and I truly believe that chia pudding is one of those superfoods that really helped me as I look to lose weight. And I've lost about 45 pounds, which I can't even believe it. And it's foods like chia seeds that are just so powerful because they taste great. You can make them a million different ways. They're super easy, which is definitely how I like to roll in the kitchen. And they also help keep me full for a really long time because of all the great fiber content that they have. So I decided to whip up these 3 amazing recipes. Today we're going to be making a creamsicle chia pudding, which is just amazing. The second recipe we're going to make is a chocolate peanut butter cup, which is absolutely 100% my favorite. And then the third chia pudding we're going to make is my husband's favorite, which is our pumpkin pie. So you don't have to just enjoy this one in the fall. It is good any time of the year, trust me. So when you watch these recipes and you see how quick and easy they are to make, I bet you're going to want to make them too. So if you do, definitely comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. I would love to know that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out how easy it is to make these 3 recipes. Take a look. So for all of these recipes, we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of organic chia seeds, and we're just going to put those in our bowl. And then to that, we're going to go ahead and add in a 1/2 cup of non-dairy milk. In this case, I use coconut almond milk, but you could use whatever kind of dairy-free milk that you like. We're just going to whisk that all together, stir it all up. So first up, we have our creamsicle chia pudding. So we are going to start with some orange zest, and we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle that in, and then we're going to go ahead and add in a teaspoon of vanilla, which is going to help give it that nice familiar creamsicle flavor. And then if you have orange juice, you can add in about a tablespoon or so. I ended up squeezing in the juice of 1/2 of an orange, and we're going to also add in about a teaspoon or so of sweetener. Maple syrup would be really good in this. I happen to have some raw organic honey on hand, so we're going to go ahead and just give this a stir, get everything nice and combined. So we're just going to transfer this into our little jar here. And again, these are all single serving sizes, so they're great for snacks, desserts. This one is a great little breakfast in the morning. It really just kind of brightens up everything with the orange flavor. For this one, I like to sprinkle in some unsweetened coconut, shredded coconut. It's so, so good. And then to finish it off, we're just going to top it with some more of the orange zest. And that is our delicious creamsicle chia pudding. Next up is, I have to just say, my personal favorite because I am such a super fan of chocolate and peanut butter. This is our chocolate peanut butter cup chia pudding. So we're going to go ahead and start by adding in 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. You could also use raw cacao powder as well. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in our sweetener. Again, this is sweetened to taste. I am using raw organic honey. I'm going to use about a teaspoon in this recipe as well. That all mixed in, and that is it. It's time to transfer it and then add in our delicious toppings. So of course you can't have chocolate peanut butter cup without peanut butter, so I'm using organic creamy peanut butter. You could use crunchy if you want, but I am a big fan of creamy. So just a nice dollop full right on top in the center. I think this was about a 1/2 tablespoon. And then just to give it some more texture and crunch, I like adding in some slivered almonds on top. Then just to give it some of that extra really chocolatey flavor and again some more texture, I'm adding in some organic cacao nibs. So, so good. Our third and final recipe is our pumpkin pie. So we're going to start with some organic pumpkin puree. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon and another tablespoon of pumpkin. We're going to go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then of course you can't have pumpkin pie without our spices, so we're going to add in a few dashes of cinnamon. And I love this pumpkin pie spice, so we're going to go ahead and give this a quick stir and make sure everything is super smooth and well combined. Then of course we're going to add in some of our sweeteners. So again, I'm adding in some organic honey, and I am adding in a teaspoon. Give that one more stir. Now it's time to transfer it to our little ramekin. Oh my gosh, watching this again is making me want this so bad, you guys. And I absolutely love this organic coconut milk. It is ridiculously good on this, and it just sends it over the top. So there you have it, you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what your favorite is. There you have it, guys. If you have chia seeds, some sort of a non-dairy milk, or you could use dairy milk if you want to, but of course I'm gluten and dairy free on this channel, you've got chia pudding. So it is super easy to make. It just takes about 15 minutes if you're in a super hurry. You could definitely make this overnight too and leave it in the fridge overnight. Stores really, really well. And have fun and get creative. And like I said, let me know in the comments below which one you think you're gonna try, or if you've made one, let me know which one you've tried and is your favorite. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out. Make sure you also subscribe while you're here so that you get more gluten and dairy-free recipes just like this one. I promise you they're gonna be quick, they're gonna taste really good, they're gonna keep you full, and they're gonna be super healthy for you. So that's what we're all about here on this channel. So I hope you liked today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.